A very good morning, my dear students. I hope you all are well and fine. I wish for your welfare and well-being. So, as you all know that our school has started with the Sunday special series, our topic for today is how to improve the communication skills. So, what is communication? It is the process of sharing one's ideas, thoughts, feelings, and emotions. The process is called communication. How we share our ideas, how we share our feelings, how we share our thoughts. So, what are the communication skills? It is the ability of a person to share his or her ideas, thoughts, feelings, or emotions. The way we share our ideas, share our feelings, share our thoughts, share our emotions, these reflect our communication skills. So, let me tell you a story today. Once a disciple of Socrates went up to him and asked him the secret of success. But he was taking bath in the middle of the river, and it was deep, and he thought the question timing was awkward. So he thought he would teach his disciple not by lecturing him but by giving him experience. So he said, "Come, dear child, come inside the river." The young man went inside the river, and as Socrates was taller than the young man, he put his arm around the young man's shoulder and plunges his head inside the water. Oh, what he has done! So, the young man, he tried his level best to save his dear life, but Socrates held him tightly. But after a couple of minutes, the young man manages to escape from his hold and gasps for air. He comes out and said, "What is this? I was asking about the secret of success, but what is this all about?" Socrates said, "Young man, when you were inside the water, tell me how desperately you wanted to come out and breathe again." The young man said, "Of course, I will do anything to come out of the water. It was the matter of my life and death." So, Socrates said, "Here you have the secret of success. When you want to achieve something, you have to immerse yourself completely into it, and you will see nothing could stop you from doing so." So, my dear children, I want to ask you one question, that do you what would you do if you were in the same condition as the young man was? Yes, we all would do the same. We all would do anything to save our dear life. It is a matter of our life and death. So, my dear children, here you get the secret of success, the steps towards success. Number one, have an aim. You must have an aim that you want to fulfill. Number two, immerse yourself completely into it. Do whatever you can to achieve that aim. And number three is communicate. We all must communicate our ideas, our thoughts. By communicating, the more you communicate, the more you are able to share your ideas. And the more you are able to share your ideas, the more you represent yourself. And more you communicate with others, the more you are able to receive ideas as well. So, my dear children, do you feel nervous about the communication skills? Yes, we all feel nervous at some point or the other in life, but we can't go with these nervousness. So, my dear children, let us all leave behind the nervousness that we have. Don't think too much. Let us leave behind all our hesitations. Let us leave behind everything that comes in the path of our success. So, my dear children, I would like to suggest you the four techniques that you need for developing good communication skills. Number one, listen more. See the word silent that I have written here. If you rearrange the word silent, it becomes listen. The more you listen, the more you will understand. And number two, speak more. The more you speak, speak whatever you have in mind. Speak about your ideas, speak about your thoughts. Number three, read more. Read as much as possible. Read according to your interests. Reading not only builds up vocabulary but also gives us knowledge. It is truly said, books are a man's best friend. And last is observe more, interpret body language. Communication is more of non verbal than verbal. The tone and body language play a vital role. You must try and observe good speakers near you. So, you have to follow these four things religiously if you want to attain success or if you want to develop communication skills. Listen more, speak more, read more, observe more. Thank you, my dear children.